Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Anglo. This is the place where English is simple, natural, and fun. I'm Riley.
And I'm Kendall. It is great to be here with you, Riley.
It's great to see you too, Kendall. How's your morning going so far?
It's going really well, thank you. I have my favorite coffee and I'm feeling energized. How about you? How are you feeling?
I'm doing fantastic. I'm so excited because we have a very special lesson today.
We do. We get asked about this all the time.
Exactly. We are talking about those very first words, how to start a conversation when you meet someone.
That is a perfect topic. Sometimes taking that first step is the most difficult part.
It can be, but we are going to show you how to make it easy.
But before we dive into the first words,
Yes, we have a quick favor to ask our Speak Anglo family.
if you enjoy these lessons, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps our channel grow so we can help more people.
And if you know someone who wants to practice their English, please share this with them.
Thank you so much for your support. Okay, Riley, are you ready to jump in?
I'm ready. Let's start with the basics. Where do we actually begin?
So let's start with greetings, how you actually say hello in real life. Depending on the time of day, the way you say hello can make a big difference. So, Riley, let's go over the different ways we can greet someone.
The most common word is hello. It's classic, safe, and friendly.
Absolutely. You can say hello to anyone, your friend, a teacher, or even someone new at the park.
And then there's hi. I hear that one a lot too.
Hi is great, it's just a bit more informal, a little more relaxed.
So hello works for everyone, and hi is maybe better for people you already know?
Exactly. But honestly, hi is used everywhere these days. You can say it in a shop, at a cafe. It's short, friendly, and perfect.
Okay, so we've got hello and hi. Simple. But we also have greetings based on the time of day, right?
That's right. If I see you in the morning, Riley, what should I say?
Good morning.
Good morning. Exactly. So polite, and it feels like a happy start to the day.
I love that. And good morning is for, well, the morning, from when you wake up until around 12 p.m.
And after 12 p.m.,
You switch to good afternoon.
good afternoon. A little longer, a bit more professional, perfect for a bank, office, or meeting at 2 p.m.
And then as the sun sets,
We say good evening from about 6 p.m. onwards.
wait, Kendall, what about good night? Can I say that when I arrive at a party at 9 p.m.?
That's a common mistake. Good night isn't for hello. We only use it when leaving or going to bed.
Ah, so good night really means goodbye, only at night.
Exactly. To start a conversation in the evening, you say good evening. When you leave, you say good night.
Okay, we have our first words. Hello, hi, good morning. What comes next?
The next step is the famous question, how are you?
How are you? It's so common. It shows you care about the other person.
And the answer we all learn in school is, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
It's polite and correct, but sometimes it sounds a little stiff or formal, right, Kendall?
Exactly. In real conversations, we have lots of natural options. For example, if you feel good, you can say, I'm good, thanks.
I'm good, thanks. That's short, friendly, and works in almost every situation.
Or if you're really happy, excited, or energetic, you can say, I'm great.
I'm great. I love that one. It gives energy to the conversation. Let's try a mini practice.
Okay, Riley, how are you today?
I'm great, Kendall. And you?
I'm good, thanks. See, that's already a natural flow.
And if you feel just okay, you can say, not bad.
Not bad, thanks. Perfect. That shows things are fine, not amazing, but not bad either.
You can even get a little playful or casual.
Yeah, like pretty good. I say that a lot.
Same. Or even doing well sounds really natural.
I like all right, thanks. It's simple but friendly.
Yes, and sometimes if you want to show personality, you can say things like fantastic if you're having a great day, could be better if it's a tough day, honest but still polite. Wait, Kendall, what if you aren't having a great day? Do you have to lie and say, I'm good?
Not at all. If things are a little rough, you can be honest without being too heavy. You can say, honestly, I've been better. Or even, it's been a long day.
Oh, I like those. They sound real. It's like saying, I'm human, but you're still being polite.
Exactly. It actually helps the other person feel more comfortable being real with you, too.
And don't forget the magic step. Always ask back.
Right. Just add, and you? Or how about you?
That keeps the conversation going and shows interest in the other person.
So now we have lots of choices. I'm good, thanks. I'm great. Not bad. Pretty good. Fantastic. Could be better.
Exactly. You're not stuck saying, I'm fine. You have a menu of options depending on your mood and the situation.
And remember, your tone matters too. Saying, I'm great with a smile sounds friendly. Saying, not bad with a neutral tone works fine too.
Mini tip. Try practicing these at home with a friend or even in front of a mirror. It will make it feel more natural when you actually meet someone.
See? Just a simple question like, how are you, can open so many ways to connect with someone. So, Riley, we have said hello. We asked how the other person is, but what if you meet a new person?
Ah, a new person. Then you need to introduce yourself. You need to say your name.
Exactly, and it is very simple. I can say, my name is Kendall, or I can say, I'm Kendall.
I'm Riley. Both are very good. I'm Riley is a little more relaxed. My name is Riley is a little more formal. Both work perfectly.
And after I say my name, I should ask for your name, right?
Yes, that is polite. You can ask, what's your name?
What's your name? Or if you want to be a little more formal, you could say, may I ask your name?
Exactly. And in a very friendly, casual way, you can even say, and you are?
Friendly, but careful with tone. That works with friends or informal settings.
Okay, let's try a role play. Imagine we are new friends. You start, Kendall.
Hello, I'm Kendall. What's your name?
Hi, Kendall. I'm Riley. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Riley.
See, that was simple. But there are other ways to make it even warmer.
Right. Instead of just nice to meet you, you can say, it's a pleasure to meet you. So nice to meet you. Great to meet you. Lovely to meet you.
And for a casual setting with friends, you can say, hey, nice to meet ya. Hi, I'm Riley. Nice to meet you.
After that, it's polite to respond with, nice to meet you too, or the pleasure is mine. Great to meet you as well. Likewise.
Little variations like these make your English sound natural. You're showing warmth, interest, and personality.
Another tip, use body language while introducing yourself. Smile, look at the person's eyes, and maybe even give a small nod or handshake if appropriate.
Yes, English is not only words, it's how you deliver them. Your tone, smile, and gestures matter too.
So we have the names, greetings, and a friendly response, but if you want the conversation to continue, you need a bridge, something to talk about next.
But now comes the tricky part. What do you say next? Sometimes, Kendall, after we've said hello and exchanged names, we don't know what to say next. That's when a conversation starter is helpful.
Conversation starter? Can you give me an example?
Sure, it's just a small, easy topic to get talking. Look at what's around you, what's happening nearby.
Oh, like right now, I can say, the traffic is really slow today, isn't it?
Exactly. It's safe, everyone can see it, and it gives the other person something easy to respond to.
Got it. What else can we use?
Compliments are great. They make people feel good. For example, I could say, Kendall, I love your sunglasses.
Oh, thank you, Riley. That's very kind. I feel happy hearing that, and it makes the conversation flow naturally.
You can compliment clothes, accessories, even someone's hairstyle, or the environment, like this cafe has a really nice atmosphere.
Oh, I like that one. And what about observations? Can I comment on something funny or interesting?
Absolutely. You can say things like, wow, that dog is so fluffy, or that line at the coffee shop is huge today.
And what about opinions? Can I ask for their opinion too?
Definitely. Try, what do you think of this new movie? Or, have you tried the cake here? It's amazing.
So basically we have traffic, compliments, observations, and opinions. That's a lot to start with.
Exactly. And the key is to be sincere and friendly. Don't overthink it. Just notice something, say it naturally, and let the conversation flow.
I love that. It makes it much easier.
You're not looking for a perfect sentence, you're just connecting.
That's right. And sometimes you can combine them. For example, I really like your bag. Where did you get it?
That's clever.
Yep. Once you get this, it becomes much easier to keep a conversation going.
Let's see how this looks in a real situation. Morning.
Oh, hi. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. By the way, I'm Riley.
It's nice to meet you, Riley. I'm Kendall.
Nice to meet you too, Kendall. Or I could also say, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Exactly. Both are perfect. Are you having a good morning?
Yes, it's a good morning. The traffic is a bit slow, isn't it?
Yes, it is. A little busy today. Oh, and Riley, I like your jacket. The color is really nice.
Oh, thank you so much, Kendall. That's very kind of you. I also like your scarf. It looks great.
Thanks. I got it last week. And speaking of coffee, have you tried that new cafe around the corner?
Not yet. I've heard their pastries are amazing, though.
Oh, they are. The chocolate croissants are my favorite. You should try one sometime.
I definitely will. And by the way, your car smells really nice. What air freshener do you use?
Thank you. It's just a little vanilla scent. Easy and pleasant.
See, this is how simple it is. Compliments, observations, and small talk make the conversation flow naturally.
Exactly. Now, shall we get going?
I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, we've started the conversation, but Kendall, what if I need to leave? I don't want to be rude.
That is such a big fear for learners, but ending a conversation is just as easy as starting one. You just need an exit phrase.
Like, I have to go now. Bye.
Maybe a little too fast. Try something warmer, like, it was so good catching up with you, or I should probably get going, but it was great meeting you.
Oh, I see. You acknowledge the conversation was nice before you say goodbye.
Exactly. It's like a polite warning that the talk is ending. You can even add, have a great rest of your day.
That makes it so much less scary. You're leaving them with a smile. And that's it. 7 simple steps to turn a staring like a statue moment into a natural conversation. See, it wasn't difficult at all.
No, it wasn't. The secret is just starting small. A simple hello or hi can lead to a real chat.
And don't forget to smile. A smile is a universal language. It shows you're friendly and open to talk.
Absolutely. So here's your Speak Anglo homework. Find one person this week, a friend, coworker, or even someone in a shop, and give them one simple compliment or observation.
For example, I like your bag, or that's a lovely shirt, or this cafe has a great atmosphere. Small words can start big conversations.
Then tell us in the comments what you said and how they responded. We love reading your stories and sharing tips with our viewers.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every small conversation makes your English stronger.
Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye!